I'll get to the wrap of the show. This is the busiest day of the week. So this is the wrap for Thursday, October 22nd. We have lots of action in markets, things are in the move, and high anticipation towards the big event today. Before the big event, the ECB, we had yesterday the Bank of Canada lowering forecasts, and despite optimism and the buildup in inventories of oil and the lower forecasts hit the Canadian dollar. Went out of range, dollar CAD broke higher. Also, other commodity currencies are a bit suffering. In Australia, that's a bit due to the fall in business confidence, but also about worries in China about the Chinese government stopping to support the stock market. I think these rumors are wrong, but anyway, commodity currencies are falling. So let's just take a look at the three commodity currencies. We have dollar CAD at 131.15, a bit below the highs, but still we see it. We see the break higher. Kiwi dollar at 67.60, a bit recovering, but still hit much lower than the highs. And Aussie dollar broke below the uptrend support and struggling to hold on to 72. Now, the big event for today is the ECB. At 12:30 GMT, we have three basic scenarios. One that I think is already priced into markets, that Draghi will hint about more action in December, but without details, allowing the market to believe that it's only extending QE beyond September 2016, and that could support the euro a bit. I think that's a bit priced in. Two more scenarios. One that he hints also about increasing the size of QE, or even changing the deposit rate. I think it's a long shot, but anyway, if he hints about printing more money, that's very euro negative. It could send the pair to 111, 110 even. And if we have an optimistic Draghi, we could see a challenge of 115. All in all, I think the base case is what's priced in, is for no change over. So hints about more action, but nothing too specific, leaves the market guessing. We also have jobless claims in the United States and Canadian retail sales. Both are important, of course, for dollar CAD, and the two existing home sales in the United States. Euro dollar is approaching this event a bit in lower ground, 113.10. Support is 112.90, 112.15. Resistance 114, 114.60, and 115. We've also seen this morning pound dollar rise all the way to 155, to the upper end of the range. Still no breakout, thanks to superb retail sales, an excellent rise of retail sales all the way to, we had it here, 1.9% month over month and 6.5% year over year. So busy morning, and of course busy because of the things to come later on. Dollar yen that is still close to 120, and the tension continues towards the Bank of Japan's rate decision, also the Fed next week. So the currency in focus today is, of course, currency pairs, of course, euro dollar. It's falling a bit, and is it anticipating a very dovish action? I think so, but it may be priced in, and once we don't have an extremely dovish move from Draghi, I believe it could bounce back to range. But the general direction, as I see it, of euro dollar remains down.